I'm Michelle. I'm the owner of GIGIL. It's so nice to meet you for agreeing to participate in this video series. I'm super excited. I am terrified of going back to like normal. I'm
Yeah.
terrified of the school routine. I'm terrified of going in public. I'm terrified to take my kids to a restaurant. I mean, it was hard before, and now that we've spent over a year doing none of those things, I
Yeah.
feel like I'm gonna have like three ragers like just going nuts.
I'm hoping that they will be able to go back to school soon, just for one social life and like
Yeah.
I think my kids they're enjoying it way too much. That waking up late and your school starts at like 11:47, 12:15, and they're just like, running their own little program. They're like, no, we're good. Like